I'm going to show you everything you need to know to operate your ship in Sail VR. So, come over here to the docks. Pull your ship that's right here in your chest. You can just throw it in. If you don't know how to get a ship, then you can look back at my previous videos. It'll show you completely in there. Okay, so on this ship it's a little bigger because the galleon. Everything's the same though. So just pull this rope right here. If those ones have to angle it to gain more speed, but this one, if you don't do that, you'll go really slow. You can adjust it for different speeds, and then you can just load cannons also. And grappling hook I have. Grappling to islands. So you can just raise this anchor. And I want more speed. So, oops, going like so just kind of pull these ropes until it goes a little faster. This is how you operate a ship and how it works. It kind of goes up and down. You normally can't notice it, but it does go up and down the waves. You actually cannot go in here. I wish you could. Please make a captain's cabin for Sail VR. It needs a captain's cabin. Okay. Anyways, so you just kind of load the cannons. Just leave them loaded. They don't unload or anything. Actually hit that, and then you can just kind of grab it. But also, another good thing is, if you fall off the ship, like, well, I was gonna purposely jump off, but if you wait a few minutes, or not minutes, 2 seconds, a bottle will appear. Grab that bottle, you'll teleport onto the ship. Most people don't know that. Well, that's how the ship works in Sail VR, and everything you need to know about it.